Hello friends. Welcome to SV Digital Marketing. Today we give you complete information about Bitcoin. To know full details, watch the video till the end. Let's start. Let us first know what is Bitcoin mining. The process of updating a transaction, transfer, in the public ledger of Bitcoin is called Bitcoin mining. Just like when you go to the bank to get the details of all your transactions printed on your passbook. Similarly, the transactions of Bitcoin are also updated in its online ledger. And this process is called mining. Just like your passbook contains the details of old transactions. And after that you keep updating new details, in the same way it happens in Bitcoin too. You can see all the transactions of any Bitcoin online. Second, now we will know what is blockchain. The information of each old transaction is called a block. And the transaction ledger of the previous transaction is called the blockchain in the world of Bitcoin. That is, when you go to update your old passbook, then the process of this updation can be called mining in the language of Bitcoin. The printed passbook with the previous transaction is your blockchain. And the information of every debit, credit marked on that passbook is the block. The blockchain serves to confirm transactions in the Bitcoin network. People with better knowledge of the software work on it to do mining. That is, to verify the transaction of Bitcoin and to add it online to the public ledger. People who do this work, that is mining, are called miners in the language of Bitcoin. And you will be surprised to know that in return the miners also get their fees and also get new Bitcoins which are made in this mining process. After going to mining and blockchain, it is important to know that what is the purpose of mining? The main purpose of Bitcoin mining is to provide Bitcoin nodes with a secure, phishing and tamper-free permission. Mining is also a mechanism that launches Bitcoin into the system. Miners also receive fees for mining, as well as subsidies for new Bitcoins. This leads to the dissemination of the new coin in a decentralized manner, as well as the purpose of providing the security of the system to the public. It is called Bitcoin mining because it is similar to mining other commodities. It requires labor and gradually provides new currency at a rate similar to mining gold from the ground. Apart from getting Bitcoin from this mining process, you can also get it for currency exchange, online games, sale of products and services. Bitcoin mining is deliberately designed to be extremely complex and to be processed by no resource. This helps to keep the block numbers mined every day constant for each miner. The validity of each block is determined by the proof of work associated with it, and this proof of work is checked by other Bitcoin nodes in every transaction. And each time Bitcoin uses a function called hashcash to check this proof of work. Now what is proof of work? Learn about how it works. Proof of work is a small piece of Bitcoin data that is the complex and time-consuming process of mining. The production of proof of work information can be a random process with little probability. So it takes several attempts to produce a valid proof of work. Bitcoin uses proof of hashcash for this purpose. Bitcoin mining. What is the big source of earning? When a miner discovers a block, he receives a certain number of Bitcoins as a reward, which is the amount accepted by everyone in the network. Currently this reward amount is around 25 Bitcoins. And, according to today's price, the cost of 25 Bitcoins will be 10,15,090 rupees in Indian rupees. We told you at least what is Bitcoin. If you can comment to ask the topic mentioned in this video. You are watching our video for the first time, subscribe. Do it and fold it all by pressing the bell icon like this to watch new video. And if you want to make mobile apps, then contact us. We give you complete information. And you give it the same way you want. We'll see you again with new video like this.